Have you ever worked with a long list in Excel and wondered if there are any duplicate values? Maybe you have a list of customer names, products, or sales records, and you want to quickly find repeatedly entries. The good news is that Excel has a built-in feature that can do this in just a few clicks. Let's see how it works. Here I have a list of customer names, and some of them appear more than once. First, select the cells that you want to check. Next, go to the Home tab, click Conditional Formatting, then highlight Cells Rules, and choose Duplicate Values. A new window will open. By default, Excel is set to highlight duplicate values with a light red fill. You can keep this option or choose a different color from the list. Then click OK. And that's it. Excel immediately highlights every name that appears more than once in the select range. And here another useful option. Let's say you want to highlight unique values instead of duplicate values. To do this, select the cells that you want to check, go to the Home tab, click Conditional Formatting, then highlight Cells Rules, and choose Duplicate Values. And here, instead of duplicate, choose Unique. Click OK, and now Excel highlights only the names that appear once in the list. This is a great way to find records that are unique while ignoring all duplicates. And that's how you can highlight both duplicate and unique values in Excel using conditional formatting. It's the fast, simple, and works with names, numbers, product codes, email addresses, and many other types of data. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.